So a little too much pressure on there and just popped everything off. So we got some work to do. We're going to do some repairs or turn it into a convertible.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Rust Belt Diecast Customs. This is a story about making the best of a bad situation, or in this case, a bunch of bad situations. This little guy is the Matchbox number 56B Fiat 1500. Great little casting, 60s simplicity and style at its finest. I originally planned on making this into a rally car for my friend because he loved this car when I bought it originally, and that's kind of where everything went wrong. So first I noticed the A and B pillars that support the roof were missing, so I decided I'd just replace them with some cotter pins. No big deal, right? Wrong. When I was drilling out the rivet to remove the glass part from the roof fell right off in my hands. So a little more work, but not a huge deal. Let's get into some stripper and we'll see what we can do. After the stripper, I usually spray down the casting in my bathtub because I have this hose that has great water pressure. So of course I forgot to plug the drain and down went the roof. So after pulling the P-trap apart and finding the roof again, I went back to the bench to repair the missing pillars. I was able to secure the roof to the remaining C pillars as a support using super glue and baking powder. When I went to attach the A pillar, however, I couldn't get the angle right. So I figured, oh, just seat them in and do like a slight bend or something. And nope, that didn't work. When I finally got one into place, the other wouldn't sit right. And after snapping it apart and filing it down multiple times, I gave up. And I did what any red-blooded American would in a situation like that. I broke out the power tools. At this point, Matchbox purists, avert your eyes if you haven't already stopped watching. Enough was enough. I would have satisfaction even if it meant destroying something beautiful. So after chopping off the C-pillars with the Dremel tool, I actually love the look of it. I decided to just give it a nice buffing with some Brasso polish. That's my favorite to use on metal. I painted up the floors in the dash, chromed out the wheels, and called it a day. This car was a lemon, but I think I was able to make lemonade out of it, and sometimes that's how these things go. Either way, I love how it turned out. I think these cars sometimes have a way of speaking to you, but not like a crazy person way, but just sort of nudging you in the right direction, nudging you to where they want to be. And as an artist, it's important to follow that nudge because you never know where it might lead you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, like, comment. I love talking to you guys. It's awesome. And we'll see you next time on Rust Belt Diecast Customs.